shit all stretched out now.
Let's picture it. Oh, heaven. Oh, heaven. Oh, heaven. Oh, baby.
That shit stretched out.
Bitch, I can't bend my leg. Get the fuck up.
Logan could take a shot of the ass.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You could do one of those where you grab the glass like this and you put it up with your butt. And just let it just sit right and be like, yeah, babe, I feel nice. Yeah, get in there, Hefe. It's not nice and wet. Yeah, Hefe, move it around. I told you, I don't stick shit on my butt. Cause shit come out your butt. When he got fecal matter in his
Logan could pop Snickers and Musketeers out of her asshole.
She could pop a damn Mr. Goodbar out of her asshole.
Talking about chicken treat.
She like, happy Halloween.
Bitch, that ain't no queef in